Hello everyone, Jennifer from Tarle Speech. I have a quick lesson from a question today. What's the difference between moral and morale? This is more of a word stress lesson. So to say moral, which means standards of behavior, we are going to stress syllable number 1. And to say morale, which is enthusiasm of a group, we are going to stress syllable number 2. So we have moral, 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 and morale, morale, morale. Moral, morale. Moral, morale. And now for a sentence. The company had high moral standards and morale for the employees was very high. Give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. If you found this helpful, please share this with your friends. Thanks for all of your support. If you need help, check out our link tree for our products and classes. Thanks, everyone.